warm welcome to News and Flash column of 8 June 2021. It is presented to you by Lawsico. I am Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. Maldives Foreign Minister Abdullah Shahid elected next United Nations General Assembly President. Abdullah Shahid has been elected as the president of 76th session of United Nations General Assembly that will start this September. Please note that United Nations General Assembly is a part of United Nations and it is the main deliberative policy making and representative organ of UN. The decisions on important questions such as those of peace, security, admission of new members and budgetary matters require two-thirds majority of General Assembly. So the post of the president of UNGA is voted on a yearly basis by all the 193 members of the core UN body, and the tenure of this post is 1 year. FDA approves Alzheimer drug. The Food and Drug Administration on Monday approved the first new medication on Alzheimer disease in nearly 2 decades. Please note that Alzheimer is a type of dementia that affects memory, thinking, and behavior. Symptoms eventually grow severe enough to interfere with daily tasks. So the drug is aducanumab, which will go with the brand name Aduhelm. So it is said that a contentious decision was made despite opposition from the agency independent advisory committee and some Alzheimer expert who said that there is not enough evidence that the drug can help the patients. Advanced Light Helicopter ALH Mk3 inducted at INS Dega. Induction of these MRCS helicopters in the East Naval Command got a major boost towards enhancing the capabilities of the force, and the helicopter is built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The flight is being led by SS Das as the first flight commander, who is an experienced ALH qualified flying instructor with extensive operational experience. Today is World Ocean Day. World Ocean Day is celebrated on June 8th. This year theme is the ocean's life and livelihood. United Nations General Assembly passed the resolution on December 5 for this day to be celebrated. Ladakh Lieutenant Governor launches UNTUB scheme. Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur has launched the UNTAP scheme for students in Ladakh Union Territory. He distributed tablets to the students of 9th to 12th class of the first phase of UNTAP scheme. UNTAP scheme formulated to encourage digital learning, bridge the digital divide between connected and unconnected, and mitigate the COVID pandemic disruption. So this was all for today. Thank you.